Today's video is sponsored by Alpha Graphics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a couple of jigs that can make your life a little bit easier. Starting off, finding center on a circle object. So when you've got anything that's circle and you need to find a middle point of it, that can be tricky. So instead of doing a whole lot of math and just pulling your hair out, making one of these jigs is as easy as just scraping the middle point of any circular object. While you're watching these jigs, get subscribed. Remember, joining the channel will help us do more content and also great projects coming up like a DIY workbench and tabletop. And I can honestly tell you, getting a decent set of drill bits like this Bosch drill set that I've got here really made my life a lot easier. Let's talk about the sponsor of today's video. Alpha Graphics is a digital marketing firm specializing in social media marketing, graphic design, and website design. This company specializes in making your business look good, perform good, and looking at its optimal best. And today's world, referrals are extremely important. You need to know if a company is actually doing the work. Can they do what they say they will deliver? And with Alpha Graphics, they've got referrals everywhere, people. They've got from Cape Town up to Jozi, KZN, it doesn't matter. They can take your business and pinpoint your target market to anywhere that your heart desires. Look no further than Alpha Graphics. Go to their website, go to contact us, and go and fill in the form and click select. Someone will contact you immediately and get you on the right track for your business to grow to be a huge success. Alpha Graphics, your vision brought to life. So now you're going to be asking me, what the hell is the exact dowel placement jig? So you can either use a biscuit joiner. If you don't have a biscuit joiner, you can do this. So a dowel placement jig will actually help you when doing a table and need to join up any type of form of wood. You put your dowel placement at the top, make your mark, drill your hole, insert your dowel, and just repeat the process. This will align your pieces of wood together for any decent type of joinery. L-shaped square. So why is this important? So an L-shaped square will help you define a straight cross-cut line. So this is going to make your life a lot easier when building anything from furniture, or even when you decide you want to build a house.